In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is the study of the relationship between language and society. Today, I'm going to teach you lingua franca. What is lingua franca? Which language is called lingua franca? Why English language is called lingua franca? Only English language is lingua franca? All these will be discussed in today's topic. Listeners and audience, lingua franca means when a language is used as a mean of communication, as a source of communication among those people who do not share the same language, among those people who speak different languages. So they use a single language to complete or to meet their needs and requirements. This is called lingua franca. In other words, a language which is used among different people as a source of communication, as a mean of communication to complete their needs and requirements. This is called lingua franca. Listeners and audience, English language is known as lingua franca. Why English language is known as lingua franca? It is due to different reasons. The first reason is globalization. Secondly, colonization. Thirdly, due to internationally spoken language. Because English language is the official language of different countries. English language is used as well as for presenting different conferences and for different research publications. And it is used also as a source of science and technologies like physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, and another subjects are also there in English language. So that's why English language is called lingua franca. English language is called lingua franca because it is also used as a source of business, trade, communication, commerce among different people. Listeners and audience, the question is that what is the example of lingua franca? The best example of lingua franca is English language. And to understand it more better, let me provide a clear-cut example. For example, when different students, they go from Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Arabia, Turkey, to, for example, United Kingdom. They go to London, for example, to a university. Now, the people of Pakistan, they speak either Urdu or Pashto language or Punjabi language. The people of Iran, they speak, for example, Persian language. The people of Afghanistan, they speak Pashto or Persian language. And similarly, the people of Arabia, they speak Arabic language. So when they go to United Kingdom or United States or London, definitely they will speak English language because they have different languages. They do not share the same language. So English language is a source of communication for them. So English language is now a lingua franca for them to meet their needs and requirements to know and understand each other through English language. The question is, only English language is lingua franca? No, there are so many languages which are lingua francas, like Chinese. Chinese is lingua franca. Spanish is lingua franca. Swahili is lingua franca. And more interestingly, Arabic language is lingua franca because Arabic language is mostly spoken in the Middle East countries. Like in Middle East countries, most of the Middle East countries where Arabic language is spoken, for example, in Egypt, Iraq, Palestine, Lebanon, Oman, Qatar, Muttahida Arab Emirat or United Arab Emirate, and so many other Tunisia, etc. So listeners and audience, hope that now you know about lingua franca. Thank you.